Look at your life for a second. Not your dreams, your reality. If you feel tired all the time, unfocused, restless, it's not because you're weak. It's because your brain has been trained to chase pleasure instead of purpose. Every swipe, every video, every cheap hit of dopamine, you didn't lose control overnight. You surrendered it slowly. You wake up tired because your mind never rests. You lack focus because your attention is constantly stolen. And you feel stuck because comfort has replaced discipline. Here's the hard truth. You don't have a motivation problem. You have a self-control problem. Your brain is overloaded and under-challenged. Too much stimulation, not enough resistance. So let me show you how to take control back. First, reduce the noise. If your phone is the first thing you touch in the morning, your day is already lost. No scrolling, no mindless content. Silence forces clarity. Second, drain your body. Unused energy becomes temptation. Move until your body is tired and your mind becomes quiet. Strength training, running, hard work. A tired body doesn't crave cheap pleasure. Third, control your environment. You don't need more willpower, you need fewer triggers. Unfollow what weakens you. Block what pulls you back. What you see shapes who you become. Fourth, replace the urge. Never fight it sitting still. Stand up, move, breathe, change location. An urge is temporary, but discipline compounds. And finally, give boredom a purpose. An empty mind looks for escape. A focused mind builds power. Read, learn, build something that matters. Because the man who controls his impulses controls his future. This isn't about pleasure. It's about respect for yourself. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be consistent. Decide today, comfort or control, distraction or dominance. The moment you choose discipline, everything changes. And if you're ready to take your power back, comment "I'm ready" and subscribe to Alpha Discipline.